Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh. Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss about one important entry question, that is, what is the role of compiler and interpreter in Java? Both compiler and interpreter are the software programs or tools that translate the source code of a programming language into machine code actually. Coming to the compiler, which is also known as Java-C, the Java compiler is also known as Java-C. It converts source code into an intermediate file which is also known as bytecode file actually. The fact that every type of OS uses different bytecode file allows for platform independence. Coming to the next feature, Java compiler. It quickly scans the entire source code before highlighting the error actually. And coming to next feature, more memory is consumed during the bytecode creation process. And next feature is it checks to see if there are any typographical or syntactical errors to ensure that program is correct or not. And coming to the Java interpreter, which is also known as Java, it translates the binary code into machine native code actually. We'll see how this machine code or bytecode looks like. And coming to the next feature, the interpreter translates language one line by one actually. Okay. And the process ends when an error occurs in line. And these are the few differences between compiler and interpreter. The program is completely compiled by the compiler before being converted into machine code actually, which is the interpreter then interprets the line by line. Compiler will compile the entire program at a time, and the interpreter will do line by line execution. The compiler shows all errors and warnings at once, and whereas the interpreter only shows one error at a time, since interpreter executes the line by line execution actually. Unlike the compiler, which scans the entire program, the interpreter finds errors after reading each line actually. And coming to the next feature, interpreter is faster to debug than a compiler actually. Okay. Coming to the next feature, compared to the compiler, the interpreter takes longer time to run because it is a line by line execution. And coming to the the diagram, this is the assume that this is the JVM. Okay. Entire machine is JVM, and inside that one Java compiler, see here, this is the Java source code actually, class test and public static void main string args, and just we are using just in a declaring two variables, integer b and c a plus b, right? This is the Java source code actually. Okay. And compiler will do the this source code into bytecode instructions, which is also the dot class files will be generated. That is the role of compiler. Entire code it will be executed and highlights if there are any syntactical errors, okay, before compilation, right? Okay, and before generating the bytecode instructions. And role of interpreter is takes this bytecode and converts into machine level language. That is the role of interpreter actually. Compiler is responsible for executing entire all the lines at a time, but whereas interpreter it will just execute line by line execution. Okay, this is the major difference. And let's see that so how this file and that bytecode instructions also. See, similarly I have declared an integer a1, integer b2, and I'm just adding a plus b. The bytecode instructions looks like this actually. After generating that dot class file, right? This is the bytecode instructions. So somewhere somehow we will understand this one, but it is not readable, right? It is only readable by so interpreter actually. Okay, an interpreter will take this one and convert into machine level language. This is the bytecode example. This is all about today's session, team. Actually, so if you like the content, please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts, and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. In next video, we'll come up with another interesting topic. Thank you.